Today we're going to be learning about addition of mixed numbers. In order to add mixed numbers, you need to make sure that the denominators for the mixed numbers are the same. If they are, it's pretty simple. In this first example here, we have two mixed numbers in which the fractions both have the same denominator. So all you have to do is add the constants and then add the fractions separately. So for this example, we'd get 2 and 6, so that's 8. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And then 1/5 plus 3/5 is equal to 4/5. So now we just add these two together and we're going to get 8 and 4/5. And that's our answer. Now what happens if the denominator is different? So in the second example, we have a 4 in the first fraction and a 3 in the second. If it is, then we have to follow these steps. Change to an improper fraction, rewrite, and add. So let's change both to improper fractions. For the 2 here, we want to write 2 in terms of a fraction, so we can add 3/4 to it. So we can simply multiply 2 by 4/4, and we will get 8/4. And now we have a denominator of 4, and now we rewrote 2 with the denominator of 4, so we can add 3/4 to it. So plus 3/4, and this would be 11/4. This is our first mixed number rewritten in terms of a improper fraction. And we're going to add on 4 and 1/3, but we have to first rewrite this as an improper fraction. So we can take 4 and we want to rewrite 4 in terms of a fraction with denominator 3. So we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by 3, and we'll get 12/3. And now we can add the 1/3, and that's going to be 13/3. So we finished our first step here. Now we need to rewrite the fractions so that their denominators are now the same as each other. So how do we do this? We want to find the least common denominator of 4 and 3. And for 4, let's write some multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so 12 looks to be like the least common denominator. We want to rewrite both fractions with the denominator of 12. So 11/4, we're going to multiply by 3/3. Because if we multiply 4 by 3, we get 12. So that's 33/12. And 13/3, we're going to multiply 3 by 4 to get 12. So we'll take 13/3 and multiply it by 4/4, and we'll get 52/12. So now we're going to add these together. 33/12 plus 52/12. And this is equal to 85/12. So that's our answer. So let's try this last problem. Here we have -4 plus 2 and 5/7. So first let's rewrite -4 as a fraction. So it would be -4/1. And now you might notice that for the denominators we have 1 and 7. 1 is a factor of 7, which means that all we have to do is rewrite this first fraction in terms of 7. So let's take -4/1 and multiply this by 7/7, and we'll get -28/7. So we've essentially rewritten -4 as -28/7. Now we need to rewrite 2 and 5/7 as an improper fraction. If we take 2 and multiply it by 7/7, we're going to get 14/7. And now we add the 5/7, and we get 19/7. So now we have 28/7, and we add 19/7. And we're going to get -9/7. And so this is our answer.